chocolate covered strawberries, just in time for Valentine's Day. Take a look at these. And guess what? They're keto friendly. And I'm going to show you how to make these just in time for Valentine's Day. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. The first thing we're going to start off with are fresh strawberries and dark chocolate. This one's 90% cocoa. Try to get something that has no sugar in it. As you can see, this one has 2 grams of sugar per serving. You could find even dark chocolate with even less sugar in it as well. Even 0 grams of sugar would be ideal. But we're also going to use a little bit of stevia extract to sweeten up the chocolate. And then we're going to dip the strawberries in the chocolate to make chocolate covered strawberries for Valentine's Day. All right, here we go. So we're going to start off with a little bit of oil in the pan. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of walnut oil. Turn on the fire. Now you can start putting in the chocolate 1 block at a time. Make sure you stir it because you don't want the chocolate to burn. Chocolate burns very easily, so you have to be careful with the chocolate. Make sure the fire's on low because you don't want this chocolate to burn. Chocolate is a very fragile ingredient. Just continue stirring until all the chocolate has been melted. As you can see, still got a little bit more to melt here. Just keep stirring. Alright, when it's completely melted, it's time to take it off the fire. Alright, we're going to taste it now to see how much stevia we're going to add to it. It actually tastes very good. I may just add maybe 5 drops of stevia to the chocolate. 5. Alright, 5 drops. I'm just going to stir that up. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, it's good. Tastes delicious. Not too sweet. Tastes great. All right, so we have our tray lined with parchment paper. We have our fresh strawberries pre-washed and dried. And we have our melted chocolate with a few drops of stevia to taste. All right, so here we go. You take a strawberry and you just dip it into the chocolate. Try to get a nice even coating on all sides. Just like that. Let the excess drip off. And then we're going to place it onto the parchment paper. Just like that. Get a nice even coating. You should see how much they charge for these in Godiva, especially for Valentine's Day. You could get 6 of these for $50. So, you doing this at home, you're saving yourself about $45. And this is way more romantic for Valentine's Day, guys. This will be great for anybody's significant other. This is keto friendly, no sugar. Berries are fair game on keto. This is fun too. This is actually pretty fun to do. Coat all the sides. Perfect. Look at that. Strawberry. And there you have it, guys. Keto friendly chocolate dipped strawberries for Valentine's Day. Now we're going to let these set. We're going to put them in the freezer for 10 minutes. And then we're going to transfer it into the refrigerator so we could keep them chilled. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to let these chill for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, and here are the chocolate covered strawberries. Take a look at those babies. Perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm going to try this little one here. Man, that is good. That is so good. That is delicious. How you doing, Bobby?
You're still bugging me.
Get out
of here. Leave me alone.
No, all right. You don't want one?
No.
No? All right. Here they are. They look delicious, guys. I'm going to try one of these. Man, these are delicious, guys. These taste better than the ones from Godiva. And guess what? They're keto friendly. No sugar added. These are actually good for you guys. I'm going to give these to my beautiful fiance and tell her I bought them at Godiva. See what she does. Tell me in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. Will she buy it? That these are from Godiva? Let me know. Alright guys, happy Valentine's Day. Be safe and be well. Matt Troy signing out.